In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your Weebly site in just a few minutes. Whether you're sprucing up your website for a fresh new look or just want to add a bit of your own personal flair, changing the background color is a simple yet effective way to make your site stand out. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Weebly website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account. Simply enter your email and password, then click the login button to access your Weebly dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you should see a section labelled Websites on your dashboard. Click on this section to view a list of your sites. If you only have one site, you won't need to select from a list. Simply proceed to the next step. Find the website that you want to update and click on Edit Site to enter the editing mode. Now that you're in the editing mode, you'll notice various options to the left-hand side of your screen. Among these options, there's one called Edit. Give that a click and you'll be taken to a more detailed site editor. This is where you can really get in and customize your site to your liking. There's a lot to explore here, but for today we'll focus specifically on adjusting the background. You should see a background option appearing. Click on background and this will open up a menu to further tweak your site's visuals. Next, hit Edit Background. This might seem like a small step, but it unlocks a world of customization options that allow you to fine-tune how your website looks and feels. In the menu that pops up, there's an option called Change Color. Click on this and you'll be presented with a color palette. Take your time to explore the different colors available. Whether you want something vibrant and eye-catching or a simple, understated tone, you can find just the right shade that matches your brand or aesthetic. Once you've chosen your desired color, make sure to save your changes. There's usually a simple way to exit out of the background edit mode, often found at the top or bottom of the menu. Click Exit Background Edit and your new color should be applied instantly. And there you go. In just these few straightforward steps, you've managed to change the background color of your Weebly site. With just a bit of time, you've given your website a fresh new appearance that better